In today's video, I'm going to teach you the quick steps to print in Excel. Printing in Microsoft Excel is a straightforward process, but ensuring you get the results you want depends on understanding a few key settings and options. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to easily navigate the print menu and configure your print job to perfectly suit your needs. First, let's begin by opening the print menu. The simplest way to do this is by clicking on File in the ribbon, which will bring up a menu on the left side of the screen. From there, select Print. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press Ctrl and P at the same time. This is a handy little trick to remember if you often find yourself printing documents. Once you're in the print menu, it's time to think about exactly what you want to print. Under the Settings section, you'll see several options. You can choose to print active sheets, which is the default option and will print only the currently visible sheet. If your workbook contains multiple sheets and you need them all printed, select Print Entire Workbook. There's also an option to Print Selection if you're interested in printing only a specific range of cells. To do this, simply highlight the cells before opening the print menu. These options provide great flexibility depending on your specific requirements. After deciding what to print, you'll need to select your printer and the number of copies. In the Printer drop-down menu, pick the printer you plan to use. Then, set the number of copies you'd like to print. It's also a good opportunity to configure additional layout settings, such as margins and page orientation. The margins can be adjusted to ensure that your content fits well on the page. You'll find that the orientation setting allows you to choose between portrait and landscape modes, adjusting the layout to best fit your content. Additionally, you might find the scaling options useful to either fit your content onto one page or to expand it over multiple pages, depending on how large your dataset is. Now it's time to preview your document before printing. The Print Preview is an excellent tool to visually check how your document will look once it's on paper. This step is crucial as it offers a last chance to catch any errors or misalignments. Spend a moment here to ensure that everything appears exactly as you envisioned. If everything looks good, the final step is to click that Print button. And that's it. With these steps, you're now fully equipped to print documents from Microsoft Excel with precision. These easy-to-follow instructions will help streamline your printing tasks and ensure you achieve the exact results you need every time.